You will be surprised to know that there are certain organisms which do not have mouth and a digestive system, yet they digest food. This organism is amoeba, which is found in ponds. It is single-celled and you cannot see it with the naked eye. It has a cell membrane, a rounded nucleus, and vacuoles in its cytoplasm. It changes its shape and position constantly by pushing out finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet, and captures some microscopic organisms as its food. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole, and the digestive juices act on the food to break it down into simpler substances. Finally, the undigested food is expelled outside by the vacuole. By this you can say all the animals have same basic process of digestion.